Okay. To test this, this is the automatic assignment for every leads, right? So, what I did is dito sa spreadsheet na part, right? If you see, notice like example sa domestic, meron tayong list of admins, right? So ito lang yung format niya. Ita-type niya lang dito yung list of admins, lagyan niyo lang dito ng number one. Okay? Sa international, same thing din. Meron tayong form para sa leads. Then dun sa ano niya, ito yung mga admins, lagyan ng number one. Same goes with the corporate and Robinson. So to test this, let's say dito tayo sa DOM, sa domestic. Dito sa kabila is ito yung flow na for testing. So once I click this DOM, int, corp or rob, ang mangyayari is magfa-fire yung flow na sinabi ko na will send the customer to this specific spreadsheet. So in here, it's only my ang i-collect lang nito is my username, add ID and I mean date, add ID and my own na username kasi testing lang naman, parang nagpi-preview lang tayo nito. So to make it easier on Messenger, that when I click this, parang may bagong pumasok na lead na domestic. When I click int, may bagong international and so on and so forth. So let's say I click DOM now. So may pumasok na lead, automatic siyang i-assign kay admin 1 kasi si admin 1 yung first na admin dito. So what if marami ang lead na papasok? I'll click DOM multiple times. Uh, this is how you test. Anyway, I will send you the link here. 3, 4, 5. Right? So, uh, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yan, automatic siya. Let's say marami yung admin na biglang papasok. Biglaan, right? So, the bot will be able to keep up. So, let's say lumagpas na siya ng 10, balik na siya to 1. Okay? So, that's the logic. At para na siyang round robin within specific na domestic groups. So, going to international naman, same thing. Click natin yung international, may papasok na lead, right? So, this time around, as you notice, yung actual names na ng leads yung ay ng admin yung pumapasok, right? Bianca, L, Migs, Bree. So, yan na siya. Int, bibilisan natin, dadamihan natin yung int natin na na-click. Right? So, Jason, Stacy, sino ba yung pinaka-last? Si Kimi. So, click pa natin yung until Kimi, dapat bumalik siya kay Bianca. Yun. And, yeah, tapos L. Yun, so, and same thing din with Corp. Yan. And of course, kay Robinson. So let's say, kiklik ko yan. Many times would I click? Or click lang ako ng click, right? Assuming na ito yung mga leads na pumapasok. Yan, pumapasok kay Corp, tapos kay Rob na naman. Yan din kay Rob, Robinson. Jason, Casey, Jessa, yun. So, that's it. Just make sure those instruction I provided on adding na yung flow, yung etong flow na sinabi ko, ah, yung flow or yung comment na setup na sinabi ko, it should be added into the folder that I provided. Okay? Here, yung flow. Ito yung tester flow na nakita nyo here. So, i-preview nyo lang to and then just click here. Then go to the Gladex na sheet para makita nyo yung incoming na leads. So, on the domestic, ito yung mga flow na i-connect din. And the same thing din with yung sinabi ko na na comment. So this will also apply for every lead na nag-comment, and then the other thing is for those anong tawag nito, nag click ng ads. Okay? So uh, for the goal na na initial requirement natin assign siya from the assign the leads from specific na ads, we have already solved that by assigning here dun sa dun sa flow na to, yung payload i-connect dito, then also yung comment also have yung sa instruction ko na i-connect kung which of the ads na nakaran ang dapat maka-receive ng mga specific comments na flow na to. And also since it's already separated, na breakdown na siya or na segregated na siya for each lead or each group. So we have fulfilled yung third requirement na you can now track yung yung requirements nyo na you can track for each ads for each different na groups na assigned. So if you need to clarify more, let's go on a call na lang to discuss more about this.